bar 14 and 15, your right hand has only 3 notes, which is A, B flat, and C. And the rhythm is tim, ka, ta, tim, ka. And watch out, at bar 15, your right hand note actually is the one tie note from the last note of bar 14, the A. So you tied it for another 4 beats in bar 15. And now look at your left hand. Your left hand need to shift down to 5th finger F and 2nd finger on C. And then the second beat of bar 14 is F and D. So your F maintained and 1st finger play the D together. And the third beat of bar 14 is F maintained and 1st finger shift to the right, play the E flat. And after that, come back to play the F and D. And bar 15, it looked quite similar with bar 14, but slightly different at the last beat, which is your left hand play F and C instead of F and D. So here is the bar 14 and 15 of your left hand. And the whole bar 14 and 15 for both hands, it will sound like. Don't forget, there is a diminuendo, means that you have to getting softer at bar 15. Okay, so give a little bit soft down at bar 15. From bar 14, here we go. Bar number 16 and 17, the first 2 beats are the same note and same rhythm. However, you have a D at your bar 17 last beat, which later you're going to use your 2nd finger to shift to the D and play it. Now we look at the fingering first. The fingering is actually the same as bar 12 and also the same note if you notice. It's just the rhythm a little bit different. This time the rhythm is ta, ti, ti. Right? We use the same fingering as bar number 12 and play in bar number 16 and 17. Ta, ti, ti, rest, rest. So you have 2 beats rest, right? And after that, bar 17, ta, ti, ti, rest, and D. So shift your 2nd finger to the D. And look at your left hand. The same thing for your left hand. Same fingering as bar number 12. You just the rhythm a little bit change. So this time the rhythm is ta, ti, ti, right? Ta, ti, ti. And you rest for another 2 beats. So the bar 16 and 17, it will sound like rest, rest, Now we look at bar 18 and bar 19. Your right hand 1st finger will be on C and the rhythm is tim, ka, ta, ti, ti. And the last note of bar 18, you're going to hold to the bar 19 another 4 beats. So here is tim, ka, ta, ti, ti. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the last note of bar 18, your 1st finger open it up to A and 4th finger to F. Right? Open your finger, stretch your finger. One more time. Tim, ka, ta, ti, ti. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at your left hand. Your left hand pinky move down to the right to C, and your 2nd finger will be on F. So hold for the C for 4 beats in bar 18, and after that is a F crochet note. F, C, D, E for bar 19. Alright, bar 18 and 19 for both hands it is, before we play, don't forget there is a crescendo there, so getting louder. Tim, ka, ta, ti, ti. After you finish bar 19, you will see a repeat sign del capo or coda on the top of bar 19, meaning you have to repeat from the beginning, from the start bar number 1 until bar number 10. At the end of bar number 10, you will see a coda sign all earlier in the beginning of bar 11. The coda sign there means that you have to go and find this sign. It's actually located at the end of last 2 bars, bar 20 and 21. Now, once you finish bar 10, quickly shift to the last 2 bar. Okay, we look at bar 20 and 21. So third finger for your right hand on A natural and fifth finger on C. And left hand, second finger to the lower F. Right, here it is. Okay, don't forget to play it slow and polka reed. Okay, a little bit slow down. Now look at bar 21. Bar 21, there is a chord. So your left hand need to shift up. Okay, second finger, just now it was on F. Now replace it by your fifth finger. And first finger will be on C. And your right hand shift down to the A, first finger on A, and third finger on C, fifth finger on E flat. So here is the chord. But you need to play, you see the wavy line means the arpeggiator. You need to play it all the note in each time, but play fast so that it all downs in the first beat. And also you have the fermata size, means that you have to pulse this chord for more than 4 beats. I would suggest you maybe can hold for another 2 beats, which is 6 beats. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up. Alright. So now one more time for bar 20 and 21. Don't forget to play it soft and a little bit slow because it's polka reed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up.